It's one step at a time, one day at a time until it is time. We can do more. We can be more. I know the heart that's in this room because I know the heart and the spirit that's in Empowerment Network. And I know the plan that God has for us as a community.
Stories give us purpose. Stories connect us. And stories inspire us.
Because it is your story and your authenticity that allows you to bring to the world what you were uniquely designed to bring to the world. You've got to be unapologetic.
We are all here today because we stand on the shoulders, that group that created the Empowerment Network.
This is not just about me. I'm opening the door for everybody to follow and come behind me. So when you get an opportunity, you got to make sure you win. Not only just for you, but for those who are coming behind you. I grew up poor, but I didn't have poor dreams. This is what I'm gonna do for you. I'm gonna give you a scholarship. I'm gonna pay your way to Metro. All right? Okay? Boom, you got it. God bless you all. Thank you for letting me be a part of today.